Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Sign Wednesday and this is hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy and Leeny from Krafty Leeny. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. Please be sure to visit their channels. This is the final reveal of my sign, Faith Moves the Mountains. That's a cute verbiage. I just love it. So like you saw the process, that was one of the wooden board with the welcome sign on it. And I painted white and I distressed with antique wax. And I gave like a burlap ribbon on the other side with Farmhouse ribbon on top of it with some jute twine and some greenery as a bow. So yeah, this is a simple and a cute sign that I wanted to share here. I hope you like it. I just love this sign, so yeah, let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the next sign is this cute floral sign. I just wanted to say hello spring, and all I did was I just painted the border of the frame. It had some shiny stuff on it, so I just wanted to give a matte look. So I just painted the chalk paint, the black one from Dollar Tree, and also I just removed that hello sign from that wooden board. And then I just painted white on that because it was having golden letters. I don't wanted any golden. I wanted to give like white and black. So here it is. So I just painted. So I painted white and then I removed that and I stuck it on this picture frame. And I gave a bow with gray ribbon. And I just stuck two of the florals on either side of it just to give like a look that it's the flowers are popping out from the picture. that's the look I wanted to give there. Hope it works. So yeah, this is one of the other picture frame with the Hello Spring sign that I wanted to share over here. I hope you also enjoyed. So let me know your thoughts on this. I am just loving it. So this is my next sign, Love Blooms Here, and I love this sign, and also the florals were just like very subtle and pretty. So I just don't want to disturb anything other than just adding some tassel in the corner that matches the flowers and the design. So I picked two of the jute twines. One is the green jute twine and the other one is basically a burlap ribbon, the pink color, and I just picked a few of the strands from there and I made a tassels, two small tassels, and I just circled the sign with some of the jute twine and also the strands of that burlap ribbon, and I created two tassels on this side, and that's all it needs, and it looks cute already. So I'm very much in love with this, so let me know your thoughts on this as well.